What's up, guys? It's May 17th, 2024. Had a range day in the markets. I think we all kind of saw that coming. I mean, we could have tanked, right? But we've had huge bars, breakout, sideways, wedge. This is one, pullback two, pullback three, wedge top, breakout. We reached the high put in April, no follow through. So bears went the reversal down to the climax, and bulls went sideways price action, bull flag, and a breakout. We are super far away from the EMA on the daily time frame. 45-minute time frame, we're pulling back. So yeah, bar one is a bear bar. We're trading under the EMA. Yesterday we had a pretty big reversal at EOD. This was like the last bar 78. I think 81 is like 15 minutes after the close. So these three bars you might not see if you're trading SPY. Bar one tried to race above the EMA, reverse down. Bears are keeping a gap open. Let's see what we were testing here. Looks like we stayed with it because we stayed within this bar. We stayed within this range for a while. I didn't. I traded a little bit. I got cut up and then stopped. I traded at work. I shouldn't have traded. I was trading for my phone. So dumb. Anyways, uh, I caught this double bottom and I held and it dumped on me. And then I went short here in reverse. I was like, probably should call it. I didn't call it. I actually went short here and then I got out pretty much break even. Dumb day. Dumb, dumb, dumb. I'm done trading at work. I'm never trading at work again. I hate it. Anyways, bar one, it's a range bar. Really big tail, small body. Bulls rallied, bears reversed it. Two-sided trading within this bar. That's what makes it a range bar. Small gap up. Bar two is an inside bar. Right now, I think there are more sellers at highs. This is a higher low. We don't really need to. The high of this candle is 24.50. High of this candle is 23 even. So when I read these numbers, I'm looking on the right side here and I'm reading the last four. So 26.50, 25.50, 25.75, 25.75. Now I'll just go through the day. Looks like there's some resistance here. See, this level was respected a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It bounced off around 3, 5, around 2150 ish. You know, that's just a rough estimate. Not too important. So, sell off, create a double bottom on top of the higher time frame EMA right here. It's kind of hard to see. It's this green line right here. Lines up. Double bottom. Bar 11 is a good breakout. Bar 7's high is 22 even. Bar 11's high is 22.25. So it traded above it by one tick. There could be bear stops there. We don't know. Bar 12 breakout above the EMA, and bar 13 is good follow through. However, we went sideways. We're trading right at the 50% level of the last bar's range from yesterday. Looks like bulls failed to close above it, and we sell off. 50% level is 25 even. Sells off. Sell vacuum into the EMA. Then we get three legs down. Here's a wedge bottom. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. Or it could be leg one, pull back, leg two. No, this is a trend line break, so that's three legs, four legs. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. Reversed it up. Ooh, excuse me, that's my dog. Very tight range, you know. Kind of sucks. 4 on Friday. I hope no one got too chopped up. Here's a breakout mode pattern. It's a triangle, right? The highs and lows are. What is the opposite of expanding? I can never remember this. De-expanding or whatever the hell. It is the opposite. Expanding, it goes like this, bigger, bigger, bigger. This is like inclining or it's getting smaller. Contracting triangle, maybe? I don't know. Doesn't matter. 5 pushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it has a three-legged breakout. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Bar 60 starts to reverse. Although the bar opens here, the bulls were buying here. So a breakout of oh wait. This is the morning range. Breakout. So yeah, look, 1R or yeah, look, see. 1R of the breakout was met. So even though it's a super tight range, if you respect the rules, leg counting like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3, into a measured move, you should get out here. I didn't cash that because I was trading at work, so this is an awesome couple confluences to get out around this level, or get out if it starts to reverse around bar 60, 62. Market starts to race up. It rallies. I remember seeing that. 62 travels or trades. Okay, wait. 61, 14.25, 62, 14, what? 61, 14.25. 62 is 14.50. Okay, yeah. This looks like it went one tick higher and it said it was even. So we have a leg one, full leg one, pull back leg two. Asymmetrical, we're range bound. Remember, symmetrical legs don't really happen in ranges. Breaking out strong above the EMA. Buy the close any of these bars for a couple points, and we test the range highs. So that's interesting. So the market broke down, did its range, and then reverses and does its full range, which is still a really tight range. But this was the move. Barely 22 points if you catch the exact lows and highs. I hope you guys are doing good. Pretty tight trading range. Hopefully next week we get some volatility, whether that be up or down. I'm definitely excited. I'm gonna sturdy up. I really want to get this payout, whether maybe by the end of the month I can submit one, or we'll see what happens. I am gunning for it, so we'll see. I hope you guys are having a good weekend and studying. I know I've been hounding away this weekend. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye.